Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into another house from Zaharoff. This one is going to be Zaharoff Signature Precious Treasure. My precious. There it is. Okay, so I'm a little confused. I tried looking this one up, and I keep getting Basileus Precious Treasure. So I don't know if these are the same thing. This one says Signature. The only one I could find online is Basileus. However you say that. It sounds Greek or Roman or something. That's the only one I can find. Hopefully these line up. We'll know once we get to the atomizer. But make sure you like, subscribe, check me out, and join the Accord newsletter every month. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this on the back of the wrist. Oh, good atomizer. I'm feeling real generous today. We're just gonna go ahead and get this. This smells like Foot Locker. It's like not in the funky way, but you know how Foot Locker has that smell when you walk in there, with like all the crisp shirts folded and everything. It smells like Foot Locker or Against All Odds or something. Not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and get into the notes. Fresh spice, woody, amber, warm spice, musky, powdery, balsamic, floral, citrus, and aromatic. The aromatic. All right, let's see. In the top notes, we got a list of stuff here. Timur, Schwan pepper, cardamom. In the middle notes, we have Virginia cedar. Shout out to VA. Bushman candle. Bushman. Olibanum, freesia, star, jasmine. In the base, you have ebony. That's nuts. Is that just like a wood? Musk, orchanox, tonka bean. In the base, you also have sandalwood, oakmoss, and vanilla. It's certainly a scent. This one, okay, so what do I get? I get a lot of cedar. Excuse me. I get a lot of cedar. I get a pine / earthy, like zesty spring, walking through the forest type of appeal. This is what, like the Brawny man, like you would think that he would smell like this. Like that's what this smells like. What am I picking up? I don't know, guys. This one's a little different. The only one I recognize is Virginia cedar, oak moss, sandalwood, vanilla, of course, tonka bean. So that's pretty much the base. I'm getting a lot of oak moss and cedar. That's about it. There's something in here that's kind of like sweet, and there's something in here that smells really damn good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just don't know what it is. It might be, I don't know. I don't want to say it's the star jasmine. I'm really not sure what this is. But it does have a very appealing, as it starts to evolve and open up, I think that's really what's going on here. It's getting away from that real earthy tone, and it's starting to kind of relax a little bit. And it's starting to turn into something that smells really good. That Foot Locker appeal is no longer here. So it's only been what? Well, it's been about 5 minutes now. So it's definitely changed up. I like this. I think I would need a little bit more time with it. There's something in there that's kind of nutty and like, it might be the sandalwood. There's something in here. I'm not sure what it is. It could be the cardamom or the tonka bean. Maybe that's what it is. There's something in the base that's like coming up out of it that's really saving it, but also like making it something that is pretty, that smells pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. I like this. I see this being more masculine, more for a man. But there's a sweetness that's coming out, man. There's a sweetness. I just don't know where it's coming from. Like, it's interesting. It really went through, like, as I was experiencing it in real time, it went from like Foot Locker, you know, to it kind of smelled like a car air freshener for a second there. Now it's more full-fledged. Now it smells much more like a traditional fragrance, more masculine than anything. I think it's the Virginia cedar because it is a different type of cedar. It's not that, you know, lumber cedar. It's this one's got a little bit of something else to it. And if I'm not mistaken, they used Virginia cedar in one of those tobacco fragrances, and I remember it being kind of sweet. So that might be part of it. But it's also not very strong. It was a lot. Yeah, there was a lot that I sprayed, and I'm not getting a whole lot here. So it's pretty interesting. Okay, but hey, I think I like this. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I would say this is better than a lot of the ones that I've smelled. It's not quite up there with man, that's that Seraphim. What is it? Seraphim Blue is good, man. That is a great fragrance. So it's not up there with that, but it's okay. It smells good. It's a little light, you know, which is interesting because of all of, like, you know, the notes that are in here and how like rounded it is in the base. But that's my review. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this? And if I have the right fragrance, because again, this says signature, but I couldn't find a signature. All I could find was the Basileus Precious Treasure. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.